I do want to say that I went to Dollar General. I must have visited quite a few. And I found everything I wanted except for the matte spray, which I like to use matte for the summer because it's so hot here. So anyway, I did get the two eyeshadows, which this is the smoky and this is like a warm summer palette. It says a sultry sunset and Midnight Express. So I got that. I got the two of the four blushes because these were the cool ones. This is the pink and the red. Risky Business is the pink, and Amore is the reddish one. And it's monochromatic. It's a matte and a frosty of the same color. And then they had the three bronzers. I don't really use bronzers, but they had like a dark one, a very warm toned one, and a kind of like neutral one. This one's called Sun-Kissed Honey. They had a golden something that was very warm toned, and then they had like a bronze one, and I can't wear those dark bronzers. So I got this one. It's just like, what I love is that it's got that little insignia inside. I just really love that. And I got the Light Trio highlighter. They have a darker, warmer one, and then they have the light. And then it has a Radiant Glow face highlighter. Again, I think it's like for the summer. It adds a little sparkle to your face. But, you know, also for the, even for the winter, sometimes you just want to give your face a little warmth. You could use this. Oh, yeah, it's not really showing too much. But, yeah, the only thing I didn't see, because, you know, they had mascaras and they had the matte liquid lipsticks. They had like a brownish and a beige color. Is not really something I'm going to want to wear. And you know, mascaras, and I'm not sure if there was something else. But, you know, they had the two warm toned blushes, but just the only thing I couldn't find was the matte spray. And I went to a couple of Dollar Generals around here, and I didn't find them. And I had to go pick up my son's meds. And the same place I found the nail collection, stuff that I wanted, that's the place that had this. I thought it would be on a separate display, but they just put it there with the regular stuff. I just didn't see the matte. I don't know if maybe they put it, I doubt they would put it behind the because right now I've been using the Believe Beauty spray, and this is all I saw. The matte one has a black thing. So anyway, so, you know, I guess next time I go out, I'll check for that. I was going to try and check more Dollar Trees. I was going to go out and check some Dollar Trees, but I didn't. I wanted to, but I kind of got tired because I can't be standing on lines. And a lot of times Dollar Tree has just one thing open, and I really, they're the only ones who sell. It's a long, like a sponge on a stick, and it's long, and you know, it's for your back and hard to reach places. And it's the only place I could find it. I don't like the hard ones. I like the ones that are the soft sponge, not the loofah that's hard. And when I went to all the Dollar Trees on Saturday with my husband, I didn't find it. I was looking for it. So I saw them there at the one in Alvin, and I grabbed like 4 of them because, like I said, they're hard to find. So I had to wait on that line. I was dying. There's one woman who kept sneaking up, and we kept telling her the line's over here. And when another man opened up, she like jumped. I was like, you know, I'm not gonna argue. I'm not gonna get into an argument. I'm just gonna. I was like, I think 3rd, and she was like 7th, and she just jumped. And I was like, I'm at the cashier. It just wasn't my turn. So I'm like, I'm not gonna argue. I'm not gonna argue. Let me just get out of here. I got things to do. I had a lot of things to do, so I wanted to go out to Texas City, because from Alvin to Texas City is about 20 minutes. Like from my house to Texas City, it'd be over an hour. But from Alvin, it would be like something like 20, 30 minutes. But after standing on that line, I was like, forget it. And for some reason, I don't know if they just didn't have the air conditioners on yet. I was having trouble breathing that day with the mask on, even with the frame. And I've never had trouble breathing when I use the frame, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that. I was just like exhausted, and I still had to go. After picking up my son's meds, I had to go back home to go to the bank. I had to go to pick up my daughter's meds, and so I didn't get a chance to, but I'm dying to do it. And you know, I also can check from here to Sugarland. They usually, like, if it already came out, they'll get it a little later. So I gotta check over there to see if they got the Pretty Mama display going that way. And I do have to go that way for something, so maybe I'll go Wednesday, because I'm gonna start cleaning Thursday. I gotta concentrate on getting this house ready. So yeah, so just wanted to tell you those things, show you those things. All right, let me go get my Barbie collection. I bit the bullet and did it, and I just got like one of each of the lipsticks, the gloss, the liquid eyeshadow, and I got, I think it was like I think there was two eyeshadow palettes, and then I think there was like, I think there was a face palette and a cheek palette, and so I got all the palettes. Mostly. I didn't get the disco version. They have two versions, but just one of each of the liquid stuff. Anyway, okay, let me take my pictures. Let me get ready to go get my package at the office. Alrighty, see you guys later.